Hey everybody, it's Guy Gelso. Welcome to my drum room, and this is Tips and Tricks. These are short videos with cool ideas that are easy to do. And today I'm going to show you how to play a 2/3 polyrhythm between the hi-hat and the bass drum. Then you're going to add a snare drum to it and make it a really cool groove. And you're going to be able to count both the 2 side, then the 3 sides separately. So let's get into it. Bass drum and the hi-hat hit together. Now, as a triplet, bass drum first, then the hi-hat, then the bass drum. Now, let's put those 2 together. I'm going to count the hi-hat first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, if I put the snare drum on the 2, it sounds like this. Tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.